This is Bill and Deb North of the Florida Weekend Warriors, and in this video, we are going to do a 5-year review of our 2019 Grand Design 2800 BH. We're going to go over some of the upgrades we made, some of the problems we've had, and some things we wish Grand Design might do different on their RV. So stay tuned. So we've had this RV for 5 years. We got it at Lazy Days up in Tampa, and we've had a few problems, but it's really overall been a pretty good trailer. So I want to point out some of the upgrades I've made. We put in some lithium batteries in this RV lockbox. It locks up so nobody can take them. We live in Florida, so I got the lithium batteries from Lion Energy at Costco. They were pretty inexpensive, and I haven't had any problems with keeping them outside. The only thing we've had problems with on the outside is really the tires. You can kind of see it's kind of bent. I've had to bend it back. We've had 2 blowouts. This tire here has blown out twice, and the first one was like 18 months, and one of the original China bombs blew, and then about 3.5 years into the trailer, the Goodyears blew, and they were only like 2.5 years old when they blew. So I went ahead and upgraded to these Hercules tires. They're a 12-ply tire, and what people don't realize, so our tire thing is a Ford one, or the sensors inside the tire, just like on your car, is the temperature. These tires run 140 145 degrees in the summertime, which is really hot, and all the weight is on the kitchen side. So these tires run 10 degrees hotter than the tires on the other side. So that's why I decided to do the big upgrade and get the better tires. Hopefully we won't have any more blowouts. In the kitchen, I installed this Blackstone where the refrigerator used to go. It just slides in and out, and you go to propanegear.com and get a special propane hose for it, and it'll hook right into your supply right under the trailer. I added a second spare tire holder and this extra gate valve from Valterra. This is worth the money. The trailer should come with them. And that's pretty much on the outside. I mean, it looks pretty good for being 5 years old. We got some paint chips in the front, but that's not the trailer's fault. It's just from the road. And overall, it looks really good. Now on the roof, I really haven't had any trouble on the roof. I've only resealed it one time. I check it every 6 months or so, and I'm getting ready to do it again. Now on the air conditioner, the compressor did stop working, and it was the control board. I did it myself. You can see from the picture that you get to the control board from the inside of the RV. Found one on Amazon, actually, that was half the price getting it from the dealer. It was only like $69. That's all it was the control board. Deb's gonna go over the inside.
So these strips came down, I think just the vibration, so we did tack them up and re-glue them. Bill had to replace the vinyl here. It was just deteriorating just like the sofa was. So these are all new cushions, 2 new chairs.
We got them from Lippert. Yeah, they gave us 50% off. We had the window go bad. The latch, the pin wasn't long enough. So I called Lippert, and I took the old one off, put it up against a ruler, and the guy knew exactly what I needed. I just needed one with a pin that was 1/4 inch longer, and he sent it to me. He charged me like 20 bucks. I thought he should have done it for free, but I was just happy someone helped me. And then one of the blinds got boogered up from the wind because the window kept sliding open when we were going down the highway.
So the Grand Design did send me a new blind. We did go ahead and change out the faucet.
Yeah, we changed out the faucet.
And we changed out the toilet seat.
Yeah, we put a better toilet seat in.
We went to a rally, and Grand Design sent that to us, the pouch. It doesn't come in this model. So we went ahead and did that. One of the things I have to tell you to do, run a dehumidifier. Now we keep ours on property, so it is always plugged into electricity, and we get so much water out of that, especially when we come home and it's been like this weekend was very, very cold, so there's a lot of humidity and a lot of dampness inside. So
we probably get a gallon a week out of the thing. We empty it every week, and it's full. And the doors, we put doors on. The new ones come with doors, and they also come with a window. We added all these
command hooks.
Command hooks. We got some really nice ones. They're expensive. They're like 20 bucks a piece, but they look really nice.
We added a lock on the door for the girls.
Yeah, that was a simple fix too. Yeah, I don't know why they don't do that. I mean, the cost has got to be almost the same. So that, and if somebody locks the door, I mean, there's a way to unlock it. You just stick a small screwdriver in there and undo it.
So overall, we've been very, very happy with it. There were a few little things that I think that Grand Design could have changed a little bit, like adding those doors instead of putting them on aftermarket. We love the space, we love the layout, and we definitely were very, very happy with the customer service at Grand Design.
Yeah.
So we would definitely consider buying another Grand Design if we were in the market.
Yeah, some of the things I wish they would have done, I wish it had a door down here. A lot of trailers have that. An access door in the back of the trailer so that we could slide our paddle boards in and out. And also we keep all kinds of food and other stuff stored down there. You think of anything else we wish they would do?
Not really.
Oh, another issue we did have was water. We kept getting water across the floor, and there was a recall on that. And they sent a new seal kit, but they said they didn't even use the seal kit. They found where the water was coming in, and they fixed that. And since they fixed it, we haven't had any more problems. Another thing I wish they did different, I wish this was ducted. This is just bolted in here. I think it's supposed to be ducted, but it didn't come ducted. It's just bolted into that space. And I wish it had its own thermostat. And the thermostat here, we don't like the placement of this thermostat. When you have both airs running, it blows right through there, comes down and hits this thermostat and trips the other unit off because the unit's trying to cool down, and in here is cool, but back there it's not. And it's really just because that thing's blowing straight on it and there's no other way to fix it. I added a little inverter here, just a little 600 watt one, so we can plug the TV straight into it. I wish they would have done that from the factory because that's super simple and it's not very expensive at all. Some of the newer trailers, other makes I've seen do that. We've had some problems with this radio, and on the Bluetooth side, we always have to reset it. We had one of these speakers go bad, and I had an extra Marine speaker. I put it in there. It fit right in there, and that's about it. Grand Design does have the best customer service. Anytime we had a problem, we just call them up. You need the VIN number, and they will help you out however they can. I did forget one thing. We did have one plumbing leak. I know Grand Design gets some bad rep up with the plumbing, but it was a sewer leak. The main sink, the trap, they just tightened it too tight and it cracked the collar that screws it into the sink. So I went to Lowe's and got a new one. I didn't even call Grand Design because it was just too easy to fix it myself. So we hope you like this review. Give us a thumbs up. If you've had any problems with your Grand Design, or especially this model, leave a comment, and we will see you on our next adventure. See ya.